Hello, everyone. In this episode, I am doing a series of getting your home back together after Christmas. So, if you're interested in seeing me do each room in my home, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, you know, ladies, how it is to get your house back together after Christmas. You know, when you take everything down, your house looks like a bear cave. There's nothing out, no decor, no nothing. So, what I'm doing is I'm doing each room one by one, cleaning them and putting them back together, maybe tweaking some things to get it looking the way I want to go. Now, I'm comfortable today. My husband got me a really cute outfit. It's only wise that I show you the back. I like it. It's comfortable. The sleeves is so freaking comfortable. You wouldn't believe it. But today I am going to do the family room. So I thought I would take you along with me as I detail this family room. We spend most of our time in here. So I want to make sure I get it back, get it clean, and make it livable but presentable. So if you want to see how I do that, of course you know you have to stick around.
When I go with confidence, when I go to the roll like hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what when you turn me around, what when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like your ice on every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like your ice on every time. We know like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must keep thinking in my head like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you ice on every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you ice on every time. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time.
Now I did everything simple. I used neutral colors because you know Valentine's is coming. I did change some things around. And for the winter decor, I'm using more of cream, off-whites, neutral tone for the winter season. I did it very simple. The fireplace is very simple. I added the lanterns to this table. I still haven't found the cabinet I want to go under the TV. I'm looking, but I still haven't found it. Now, the fireplace is very simple. I just put 2 vases up there and then 3 in the middle. Very simple, nothing complicated. On the table here, I have these white hydrangea puffs in the bowl and in the little vases. I'm loving those hydrangeas. They are so beautiful. They came from Amazon. So let me know what you think about my refresh for the winter. I Everything is clean and in its place, and I like that. Still looking for some new things to change around. But again, let me know what you think about my refresh, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.